How to block ads on Android. This tutorial shows you multiple methods to reduce annoying advertisements on your device. First, open the Chrome browser on your Android device. Next, tap on the three dots menu in the top right corner. Following that, tap on Settings to access browser settings. Now, scroll down and tap on Site Settings. Moving forward, tap on Pop-ups and Redirects. Afterwards, toggle off the switch to block pop-ups from appearing. In addition to that, go back to Site Settings and tap on Ads. Once there, toggle on Block Ads on sites that show intrusive or misleading ads. Subsequently, this will help reduce annoying ads while browsing in Chrome. Moreover, for system-wide ad blocking, you can use private DNS settings. Afterwards, go back to your home screen and open the Settings app. Then, scroll down and tap on Connections or Network and Internet. Within this menu, tap on More Connection Settings or Advanced. Alternatively, scroll down until you find Private DNS. Once there, tap on Private DNS to configure DNS settings. Then, select Private DNS Provider hostname instead of Automatic. Within the text field, enter dns.adguard-dns.com for AdGuard's ad blocking DNS. Alternatively, you can also use other DNS services like dns.adguard.com. Once entered, tap Save to apply the DNS settings. Then, ads will be blocked across apps and browsers system-wide. And that's it. If this ad blocking guide helped you browse without interruptions, give it a like, subscribe for more Android optimization tips, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.